Seems like the feds keep pumping money into the financial bailout, and the stock market and the economy still aren't improving.
The big question tonight is the bank bailout and the stimulus plan working. Fox 13 consumer lawyer Eric Seidel is asking both bankers and economists, and so you're getting some interesting answers, I understand, tonight, Eric.
I certainly am, Kelly, and the question I have is this: can we stimulate our way out of this bad economy? No doubt it's keeping things from getting even worse than they are, but is it the ultimate answer to our economic crisis?
Billions here, billions there, but if the economy isn't improving, what are we paying for anyway?
The stabilization of a very important part of our national economy, the banking industry. Congress and our political leaders, asked our banks to take this money, to infuse it, to jumpstart the economy, to jumpstart lending.
Alex Sanchez heads up the Florida Bankers Association. He says the TARP money is working.
Bank lending is up by 12% nationwide.
It's no surprise he sees brighter days ahead, believing we can stimulate our way out of a bad economy by investing in the banking industry.
I think that our country's going to get back on track. A lot of these players that caused us to be where we are today, guess what? They're out of business and they're gone.
We call it taking a bottle of Viagra and nothing happens.
That's the colorful analogy economist Harry S. Dent uses for what your billions of tax dollars have bought.
It's working to the point that they're keeping the banks from totally melting down, but it's not working to the point that it's filtering back into the economy or that these banks are really getting healthy again.
And why not? Using data from the Roaring '20s and the Great Depression, he predicts at least 4 more years for the banks and therefore the economy to recover.
Can we stimulate our way out of this?
No. You cannot.
So what we're really paying for is to keep things from getting much worse much more rapidly. That's what everyone wants, but far from the ultimate goal.
Now, Dent predicts that the infusion of government cash will help in the short term, say by this summer, but he's advising his clients to take advantage of that bounce to sell homes they've had on the market and stocks that have dropped because he doesn't see things getting much better until 2012.